Hello and welcome everybody. In this tutorial we'll figure out how to use a service plugin with the RoadRunner. Service plugin available since RoadRunner version 2.5 and has a robust client API, available under the Spiral organization RoadRunner services repository. So what is services? Services are kind of similar to systemd Linux services. It provides you control over your PHP code, binaries, executables, and so on. It can restart your service, can show you memory consumption, CPU utilization, and so on. If we refer to the documentation, we can see the sample configuration for the services and the description for every field. Since the RoadRunner version 2.9, we also have an RPC interface to control your services. To see the documentation for the RPC interface, you may refer to the RoadRunner services repository, which is described in the README. As you can see here, we can create new service, we can check service status, restart service, terminate, or list all the services. So let's dig into the sample. Here, as you can see, I have a sample configuration for two services, some service 1 and some service 2. First, start the loop PHP command, and the second one starts some binary. Let's have a look at the loop PHP. Loop PHP is just simple loop which prints the number is on every loop iteration to the str and then exits. Let's try to run them. Here we can see that both services are started and they start printing numbers. Oh, after 5 seconds we see that one service is stopped and the second one is still running. Let's have a look at our documentation. Here, as we can see, for the first command we used just php loop php and one process number, execution timeout 5 seconds, and remain after exit false. So that means that after 5 seconds, if script stops, it won't be restarted again. But for the test binary, we see that we set remain after exit true. And that because service will be restarted every 5 seconds with a 1 second delay, as we can see here in our output. So to stop, we can just hit a Ctrl+C and we see that both services are stopped. Thanks for watching.